What if one simple morning habit could transform your health? Just a glass of warm turmeric water on an empty stomach can fight disease, slow aging, and boost your energy for the day. Let's explore the 6 powerful reasons you should start this daily ritual. Our bodies work best when we begin the day with hydration and cleansing. Warm water itself stimulates digestion and circulation. When combined with turmeric, it becomes a healing tonic. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has over 600 studied health benefits. Adding it to your morning routine allows your body to absorb it on an empty stomach, maximizing the effects. Here are the top 6 reasons to drink turmeric water in the morning. 1. Helps prevent diabetes. Curcumin improves insulin sensitivity and balances hormones linked to blood sugar control. This helps prevent type 2 diabetes and reduces symptoms in those already diagnosed. By drinking turmeric water regularly, you're giving your body a natural tool to regulate glucose levels and support overall metabolic health. 2. Slows down aging. Turmeric boosts healthy cell production and protects against free radical damage. This keeps your skin youthful, supports circulation, and helps you feel energized. The antioxidants in turmeric fight oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to premature aging. You might notice improved skin elasticity and a natural glow over time. 3. Prevents cancer. Turmeric alkalizes the body, making it harder for cancer cells to thrive. Studies suggest curcumin slows tumor growth and protects against DNA damage. While it's not a cure, regular consumption of turmeric water can be a powerful addition to your cancer prevention strategy. It's like giving your body an extra shield against harmful cellular changes. 4. Reduces inflammation. Turmeric is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories. It helps with sore throats, ulcers, arthritis, and joint pain. If you struggle with chronic inflammation or autoimmune conditions, starting your day with turmeric water could provide significant relief. Many people report reduced stiffness and improved mobility after incorporating this habit. 5. Boosts brain function. Turmeric may protect against dementia and Alzheimer's by reducing inflammation in the brain. It also enhances memory and focus. By drinking turmeric water in the morning, you're giving your brain a cognitive boost to start the day. You might find yourself more alert and mentally sharp, ready to tackle whatever challenges come your way. 6. Improves digestion and detoxification. Turmeric cleanses toxins, supports the liver, and promotes the growth of healthy gut bacteria. This leads to better digestion, less bloating, and stronger immunity. Starting your day with turmeric water can help kickstart your digestive system, reducing issues like constipation and indigestion. It's like giving your gut a gentle, natural cleanse each morning. Now let's look at how to make this powerful morning tonic. Here's a simple recipe for warm turmeric water. Ingredients: 1 glass warm water, 2 teaspoons turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, boosts absorption. Instructions: 1. Stir turmeric into the warm water until dissolved. 2. Add black pepper. 3. Drink first thing in the morning before breakfast. 4. Optional. Add lemon juice for extra vitamin C and flavor. To get the most out of your turmeric water, keep these extra tips in mind. Use warm, not boiling, water to preserve nutrients. Boiling water can destroy some of the beneficial compounds in turmeric, so aim for a temperature that's comfortable to drink. Always include black pepper to increase curcumin absorption by 2,000%. This simple addition makes a huge difference in how much your body can actually use the curcumin in turmeric. Drink consistently for best results. Make it part of your morning ritual. Like any healthy habit, the benefits of turmeric water are cumulative. Try to stick with it for at least a few weeks to really feel the effects. For variety, rotate between turmeric water, golden milk, and turmeric tea. This can help prevent boredom and ensure you're getting a range of turmeric's benefits in different forms. Would you try drinking turmeric water every morning? Or do you prefer your turmeric in food? Comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with turmeric and how you incorporate it into your daily routine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more turmeric health tips in our playlist. Remember, small changes in your daily habits can lead to big improvements in your overall health and well-being. Disclaimer: while turmeric water is safe for most people, Consult your doctor if you have gallstones, liver issues, or are taking blood thinners. It's always best to check with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplement routine. Start your journey to better health today with this simple, powerful morning ritual. Your body will thank you for it.